Knife blade blank for the do-it-yourself knife maker. Carbon steel. Blade thickness 0.08, 2.0 mm, blade length 3.9, 100 mm, total length 7, 178 mm. Blade weight 1.4 ounces, 40 grams. Made in Sweden. Morakniv knife blade blanks are an excellent choice for anybody wishing to make their own custom knife. The Classic No.1 knife blade blank features a 3.9-inch carbon steel blade which achieves a high level of hardness, sharpens easily and is exceptionally tough. High carbon steels are preferred in applications that demand durability and frequent regrinding. Morakniv has been manufacturing the highest quality knives in Mora, Sweden since 1891. Professionals worldwide trust the quality materials and fine craftsmanship of Mora knives. Knife blade blank only, does not include handle or sheath. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing product. Many more to come. This is the third Morakniv blank I've used to make custom knives for myself and family. I simply cannot find a better value in existence. Each one I've ordered from Amazon has arrived razor sharp. The first one I made, the antler handle, has been used a few deer since it was built. It splits hide better than any other in my collection. It's my go-to blade for game processing. The maple-handled No.1 blade is a gift for my dad. He hasn't seen it yet. Mustard patina, FTW. Morakniv makes excellent blades, and as a country boy who's been collecting and using knives for over 30 years, I can tell you with confidence, card it now.